Scoot over a little bit. I don't want to be that snug.
All right, we just made it here to the local car scene meet. Craig's back there talking to Dustin Williams right now about his 33. Yeah, so we're just out here hanging out. We're gonna check out some cars. If this video is a little bit crazy because I'm not really sure how to use this gimbal, but we're gonna figure it out. All right, guys, so I tried to do the whole fucking gimbal shit, and it's just inconvenient. But we're gonna go around here. There's a lot of dope ass cars, so we're just gonna go check them out. Hey, the Super came back. The Super's in here. Look at this turbo. Hey, this is what you need right here.
Where's the boy go?
I don't know, with the red one?
What size? Oh, that's same precision?
That one's big. That one's definitely bigger than yours.
Yeah, that might be the next two sizes up.
It's probably like a 72. Sheesh. My car's not that clean, so I shouldn't even be over here, bro.
No, we drove by like this guy was like, hey, you guys want to park here?
ass goals, bro. Big goals. I keep for like a year. For like a year.
What?
I have one of those for like a year, just for the experience, just so you did it. For the cloud.
This is the 300 ZX still. Oh, really? It's just like,
Yeah, Z31.
I think they go from 86 to 89 or something like that.
86 to 88.
Huh?
88.
Okay, ass.
I know. It's mint. This thing is mint.
Boy, I do, because these things are...
No, I'm not gonna lie. I do like him. I just gotta find something to talk shit about.
I want one of these.
40?
Yes.
Funny thing is, the 240s, 260s, 280s, and 270s all have the same body style.
Nah, 280 actually.
Actually.
It's a little more of a hatchback. I just recently found out.
You know what's... So you seen one of the best...
Wasn't there one of these in Okinawa? A KN6?
This is not a KN6.
This is. Look, the color code.
Oh, KN6 is black.
No, KN6 is this.
Excuse me?
Yeah, I know 35. I know.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Oh, I do know.
Colors I don't care about.
Yeah, he was in Okinawa. Blaring out here. Dang. I need to get my money up, bro. They had turbo in that bitch. Yeah, good payment too. Hey, you really don't want that smoke.
I wonder how he deals with traction. His roadways are not that
I don't know.
clean off.
Hella clean. Clean NSX floor right here.
Custom project movements on here.
Clean. If you have made to this point in the video, you are the champ. I appreciate you watching my video all the way to the end. It means so much to me, and I cannot express my gratitude for that enough. With that said, if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, emojis, middle fingers. I really don't care, and my voice just cracked, and I'm leaving it in there. Let it be. But thank you all so much. I appreciate you all so much. Remember, life's a game. Life's a game. I love you all so much. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.